Welcome to Invent ERP, your growth keystone. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to add a new POS user to the system. Let's get started. First, let's create a user. From the main menu, head to Configuration. Then go to Users. Here, you'll see a list of all users in your system, whether regular users or POS users. Click Add. This will open the user details page. Fill in the required details for your new user. Most importantly, make sure to mark the user as a POS user. Once done, click Create. For the user to access the system, send them an invitation. They'll be able to accept it and create their own password. Once verified, you'll notice the yellow box disappears. For our next step, we'll link this user to an employee. From the main menu, head to HR Employees. Then select Employees. Here, you'll see a list of employees already in the system. Click Add to create a new one. Enter the employee details. Scroll down to the last section, where you can link the employee to the user account. And set a PIN code for POS login. Everything looks good? Click Create. For the third step, let's connect the employee to a POS session. From the main menu, go to Point of Sale. Then to Configuration. And select POS Configuration. This will show you all POS setups in your system. Choose the POS where you'd like to add the new employee. And click Edit. Enable Employee Login. You'll see two options: Basic Access, for employees with standard POS rights, and Advanced Access, for employees with extended rights, including closing the register. Add the new employee here, and don't forget to also add the admin. Once done, click Save. For the last step, let's go ahead and test it out. Go to Point of Sales and open your desired session. This will take you to the session screen, where you can either open a register or go back. Select Open Register. Enter the employee credentials. And that's it, your new POS user is successfully set up and ready to use.